In today's video, I'll briefly explain why businesses are developing real-time analytics solutions to support their continuous improvement initiatives. Manufacturing is one of the most important value-adding pillars of developed and emerging countries. It has been the strategic achievement of rich nations that have created a high-quality manufacturing sectors in order to develop national wealth and power. Manufacturing companies in these countries continue to implement innovative systems and solutions with the goal of increasing production and eliminating excess inventory and waste from their supply chain. After the success of many lean manufacturing strategies, the focus now has shifted to improving agility in order to adapt to new demands in the marketplace. While lean manufacturing focuses mostly on improving operational efficiency and production quality, agile manufacturing aims to complement these concepts with responsiveness and flexibility using digital and automation technologies. Today's digital and automation technology presents an enormous opportunity to improve visibility and responsiveness and agility while supporting continuous improvement in a lean and demand-driven supply chain. Real-time production information is crucial to daily manufacturing operations. If production and performance data can be directly collected from field-level devices and aggregated and contextualized for knowledge workers, then the time it takes to implement business improvement initiatives can be significantly reduced. This is why businesses are developing operational intelligence solutions that leverage cloud services as well as business intelligence tools to rationalize information and present vital real-time dashboards containing key performance measures. These solutions can support continuous improvement in lean manufacturing through their ability to contextualize real-time data from multiple sources and systems, allowing business improvement professionals to quickly identify waste as it happens, leading to faster decision-making and identification of improvement opportunities. Take, for instance, a manager responsible for a number of vehicles operating across multiple operational sites was extremely frustrated that he had limited visibility of planning and scheduling information for the management and maintenance of those vehicles. Countless times, the manager requested for this information from his team, and it appeared too difficult to get. This manager had no real idea of how efficient his workforce was, nor did he know where the opportunities for improvement are without someone from his improvement team coming in to help. It usually took his team several months to show him some value, and even then, they struggled to implement any changes. This lack of transparency meant that the manager could not properly allocate resources between sites and meet the demand requirements without the need for additional resources. The manager was running his part of the business based on intuition alone. As a result, missing on cost-saving opportunities. By leveraging real-time analytics solutions that integrates shop floor level data with contextual ERP data or enterprise resource planning data, the manager was empowered to develop real-time KPI dashboards that provided better visibility and transparency into his maintenance operation and helped him to better utilize his resources and drive continuous improvement through a deep analysis of the root cause of any problems encountered. As continuous improvement cycles of many lean initiatives focus on cost control and improving quality of products, increased turbulence in the global market's demand for agility and responsiveness without compromising on cost and quality. In order to attain more agility, real-time analytics technologies are now being adopted by many manufacturers, both at the shop floor level and at the enterprise resource planning layer. These solutions can enhance responsiveness by providing visibility into operational processes and improving quality by tracking long-term data, hence supporting the continuous improvement philosophy of lean manufacturing.